Hey guys, Brian from Ball Guy Side. We are tackling another Monday motivational quote, so let's jump in. Okay, guys, so Gary Vaynerchuk once said, skills are cheap, but passion is priceless. And here's a guy all about passion. And the point of this is that, yes, you can develop skills, but unless you're passionate about something, you'll often not want to use those skills, or those skills will go on and be used in a way that doesn't benefit other people. So passionate people are the ones who build awesome businesses and change the world because they care. So yes, develop all the skills you can. Find those areas where you're weak and build those skills, and those areas where you're strong and strengthen those skills. But for all that that's worth, make sure that you are passionate when you use those skills, and then you'll actually connect with people and make a difference. Because hey, any skill that doesn't connect with people and make somebody's life better, whether it's your own or somebody else's, is wasted. So find your passion, develop your skills, and as Gary Vee would say, crush it.